my face.
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms.
Hey guys, don't mind my face because if you saw my last video, I don't know what I was trying to do, but all I gotta say is TikTok can. So I thought I would show you guys some of the things that I bought lately, which has been a lot. I got a whole bunch of like skincare that I wanted from Ulta because Sephora was sold out, and I was like, why am I not just order from Ulta? Same thing, more variety. I got the Ordinary brand, and they actually had that peeling mask that, again, TikTok told me to get, because they don't have it in Canada, I guess. Don't know why. But I got 6 products of the Ordinary, and they actually had the James palette, the mini one, on sale for $18, and I was like, add to cart, take my money, you know? So I also got some stuff from Amazon because I just couldn't bother going outside to the drugstore. I actually went the other day and was looking at the stuff that I bought from Amazon that I bought for like $6, $7, and in the store it was like $13, $14, and I was like, I don't want to say I'm winning, but I am. So I've kind of run out of moisturizers and all my skin stuff. That's exactly why I ordered some of the serums that I did. I still have a little bit more left in my little section over here, but I completely run out of my moisturizer, and I need moisturizer because my skin is horrifying. So what I did get though was Nivea Essentials. So I got these 2 together, $6. Like, I don't, and then like I said before, I went to the store yesterday and this one was $14 and this one was $13. That's not including tax. Like, mind blown. Like, whatever. This one is 15% SPF, which is actually pretty good. I haven't had any, I usually just don't have anything with SPF in it at all. This one is a 24-hour nourishing, same with this one, but the only difference between this is there isn't any. Well, the SPF, that's pretty much it. So this is for dry and sensitive skin, and this one is completely for just dry skin. So depending on my skin that day, I'm going to be wearing one or the other. I haven't, like I said, I haven't tried it on yet, so I can't really be like, here's my review. When I do make more videos, I'll keep you guys like updated on what I think about these products and these ones too. And yeah, so I'm gonna go through the Ordinary ones that I got so you guys know which ones I bought for me because of my skin. And my friend actually helped me out with these because she bought them and her skin type is kind of similar to mine, so she kind of helped me pick what I wanted to get. And I also like read the descriptions and added a few things to it. So I got the hyaluronic acid plus B5, and this one is for, it has a little corner that I can read it. This one is for AM PM apply before cream, so that's pretty good. So I know I'm gonna use that one like in the mornings and at nighttime just because I know my skin. I don't know how to pronounce this word. Nitrosamide. Clearly I didn't go to school. Anyways, then this one is the zinc one. It's basically for like pores. This one also says put on before heavy cream, so I'm maybe, depending again on my skin mood, I might use both of these 2 together, and I might not use both of them together. It just depends on my skin. We'll see where it goes. I might even do one at a time and then see which one suits my skin better. The next one is the peeling solution. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm so excited to use this. But yeah, because I thought my package wasn't getting here, so when I went to Sephora to start trying to get this, it's not available at all. Look at that. Oh my god, I can't wait to use it. The next one is the caffeine one. So this one is for your under eyes. This is for puffiness and dark circles. I'm gonna literally live by this because I used it in my friend's house and I like loved it. This is the alpha. So the alpha, the acid and the zinc. Clearly I can't speak today. These 3 kind of work similar together. So they're all AM and PM and all using with after lotion or like moisturizing your face, you gotta use these. So I was like, okay, I don't know which one I should do first. And when I told my friend, she goes, just honestly use whichever one you want. The next one that I have, the acid 10%. Basic acid 10%. So this one is for uneven tone, texture, and fine lines. This is for a PM one. It's only for nighttime, so I'm definitely 100% gonna be using this. And honestly, they're actually like really cheap. Like they were all, I think the most expensive one that I paid for is the peel mask, which was $10, and that's literally nothing. And I also got my brushes. They don't have this anywhere, like nowhere has it. And I guess the one that I have is from the dinosaur ages because they don't got it at all. That being said, that's all about the skin products, and now we're gonna move on to the next step of the video. So I went and bought one of the razors that they were all talking about. This is the silk touch-up one. I'm gonna give that a go today. God help me, I've literally never done this before in my entire existence. Same as the whole contouring situation, but look at how I ended up. So I'm just hoping I don't kill myself with this. I'm gonna clean my face, and I get all that started, and we're gonna do this. Okay, my face is clean. I put on my little ear. Okay. Should have probably opened this beforehand. I got my mirror, and I'm gonna start. It goes like this. It's from like 1,000 years ago. You turn it on. Like what? But it's not that strong anymore, so I don't need it. Oh my god, the tan's coming off my face. This is horrendous. All right, anyways. So what you do is, I'm gonna look down here because the mirror is here. So you have to like pull your face and then gently go downwards, not like go hard or anything. So, oh god. I'm gonna do my forehead first. All right, here we go. Damn, look at all the dead skin. Look at all that. Look at all If I was smart, I would have taken my nose ring out, but I guess I'm not. Shout out to my double chin, making an appearance in every video. I'm done. I'm done. My face feels really soft, but it's kind of burning because just dry erase that whole thing. I'm gonna go wash this, rinse my face, and I'm gonna actually use some of these products. So we'll see where that goes. Okay, so I'm going to use the hyaluronic acid one first, and I also wrote like both on it, and like AM and PM. Again, I got that from my friend. Shout out to her. Thank you, Noor. Not gonna lie, y'all, my skin is on fire. It's because of the shaving thing. I should not have done a dry face. What is wrong with me? That is done. I'm thinking I'll use my Nivea nighttime one. Let's see how it is. Oh, the most satisfying thing Nivea has is these things. Yes. So I was raised not to waste things, so I'm gonna just do some of that first. And then, oh, this is thick. I don't think that was enough. Wow, this is moisturizing, and my skin feels so soft. Now we're doing the caffeine. I wrote both again. Just need a little bit. My skin is on fire. Like, first fuck up of the day. Don't do this on a dry face. Don't know why I listened to Huda. She was like, I do it on a dry skin. Really, Huda? Because now my skin's on fire, baby. It's on fire. I did my under eyes, the serum, and the lotion. My skin feels really nice. I'm feeling it. So I'll let you guys know how it is like in a couple of days, how it grew back and everything. I've got very fine hair, so I don't really expect it to be that bad. But we'll go through that later. The only thing I suggest is please do moisturize your face before you do this, because it will burn and you don't want that. That being said, I love all the serums. Everything is good. I'll update you guys on all of these when I use them. And yeah, thank you for watching, and see you guys next time, I guess. I'm making a video, but what do you want?
See that twat outside doing hockey stuff?
Yeah.
He's gonna get fucked up. I'm gonna call the cops on him. Do you see that?
Careful.
Oh my god. You see that? That's fucking disrespecting the quarantine. Are you fucking mad, bro? And he's recording evidence.
Put my Skittles down. I can't stop.
I'm giving you key moments.
Okay, get out.
Just giving you frames.
I already got a picture. I don't need frames.
Bro, you need me in that shit.
Bye.
Goodbye, fans of me.
Oh my god.
Put your hand